Is your cauliflower rice always ending up mushy and bland? You might be missing a few key steps. In this episode, I'll share some simple and effective tips to help you create perfectly crisp and delicious cauliflower rice every single time. To avoid sogginess, make sure to remove as much excess moisture as possible. The store-bought products often contain more moisture than homemade versions. For better results, try blending fresh cauliflower in a food processor at home. It typically yields a drier texture. Regardless of the source, always squeeze out any extra moisture before cooking to achieve the best texture. Always avoid cooking cauliflower rice over direct heat. Instead, let it finish cooking with the residual heat from the other ingredients, as you just saw. This helps achieve that perfect texture every time. This makes 3 servings, around 210 calories each, light, flavorful, and totally keto friendly without feeling like a compromise or taste like diet food. If smart one-pan meals make your life easier, explore my other videos for more bold Mediterranean flavor without the fuss, and check out the links below for the tools and ingredients I use. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a skillet win. Thank you so much for watching, and join me next time for another one-pan dish as we explore a tasteful beef recipe you won't want to miss. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.